Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It has been a very long time. It's been a very long time, I might say that. I've been on a little hiatus this summer. I went to summer camp and I just have not been posting any videos for this whole entire summer, and I apologize. I am posting videos again. I'm back active on my Instagram. So if you clicked on this video, you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail, you know what we're doing to the Accord today. Let's get into it. All right, so I know I had said that I was done with the cosmetic mods, and there's a reason for me still making my car look better. One, this wheel fitment is absolute trash. I wanted to get new wheels, but broke boy summer didn't cash up as much as I wanted to. So I wasn't able to get wheels, but I was able to get spacers. I'm gonna do a video on coilovers, and I got my new front lip in. So I'm gonna make my car look good until I get more power mods. I still want to do a turbo by the end of the year. Hopefully I can save up enough for that. And after I get the turbo and make my car get my wheels, I'll be done with this build. Like, I'll be done to the point where I'm happy with it. But yeah, so in today's video we're going to show you, or I'm going to show you how to install wheel spacers. Let me look at the brand name. I forgot the brand name. All right guys, so the brand that I ended up going with for my wheel spacers is Bonos. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's B-O-N-O-S-S. So it sounds like Bonos. Not sure. Anyways, I went with this brand because it was cost effective and the reviews on it were really, really good. It's really lightweight, doesn't weigh really anything, so I'm not really worried about performance loss. Because I know the more rotational mass you add to your car, the lower your horsepower is, or the drivetrain parasitic. I don't care any about that. But these feel good, they look good, and it makes my car look way, way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side. I've already did the driver's side, and I'll show you a before and after, and to show you how good it looks. Also, I had to get new tires. I'm not gonna talk about my cheap boys back there. You'll probably see them, but they're really cheap. I went with some Toyo Extenzas for the fronts. I'm actually gonna be moving these to the rear and putting my cheap tires back on the front so I can burn those up and not burn these up. So you're gonna see the switch of the tire. They're two different tire sizes. I don't know what I was thinking, getting a small tire again when I should have went ahead and got a bigger sidewall. One, because they do look a little bit better than the small sidewall, and they actually ride better. And on top of that, if I hit a pothole, they won't blow out on me like these cheap tires did. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and lift the car up, put jacks under it, and I'll show you how to torque it and everything, and the torque specs. I'll put them on the screen. I think it's like 83 foot-pound. My torque wrench only goes to 80 pounds, so we'll just do 80 foot-pound all around. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh God, Rick. This is like a really quick install. Like, it's not that hard to install wheel spacers. Like, it's just put them on. So wheel spacer goes on. You gotta make sure you get the right size, because on the inside there's a little lip. And now they're on. Okay. And you do them the same way you do like wheels, in the star pattern, so that way they don't you put them on in a star pattern so they're centered and they torque down evenly. So let's torque these. And then you torque them down. And these are 80 foot-pound. I gotta stand up to click much is dying. Five. Literally, that's all you do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the front. There's spider webs all over my car because I haven't driven it in a month and a half. Poor Janae. But yeah, literally, torque them down, put the wheels on, torque the wheels down your usual way, and then you're done. So I'm gonna do the front, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's done.